You will find some journal articles in full text on Westlaw, but many are not in full text on Westlaw, and this video shows you how to find the full text of a journal article that is not available on Westlaw. You can see this from the screen in front of you that two of the articles, the one from the journal Public Law and the one from Cambridge Law Journal, are in full text on Westlaw. So you can open those up and read those articles on your screen immediately. However, you'll notice that the middle article from the Law Society's Gazette by Gemma Slingo is only available as an abstract on Westlaw. So I'm going to show you how to find this article from the Law Society's Gazette. To find the full text, I need to find out if the library has a subscription to the Law Society's Gazette. I open it up electronically and search for the journal article by Gemma Slingo, High Court Rejects Assisted Dying Judicial Review Bid. So to find out if we have a subscription to the Law Society's Gazette, I need to go to Locate and open up the journal electronically. So I'll type my journal title into Locate and just run that search, and I can see from my results screen that yes, we do have a subscription to the Law Society Gazette online. I need to open up this journal article and this journal and search for the article by Gemma Slingo. If I click on Online Access, I get two options. I can either link to the Law Society Gazette on Lexis Library or on the publisher. I can choose either. The article was from 2019, so it should be available on both services. It's available from 1987 on Lexis Library with no end date, and available from 1986 from the publisher, again with no end date, so I could use either option. I'm going to choose Lexis Library, so I'm opening up the Law Society Gazette on Lexis Library, and then I'm going to search for the journal article. If you haven't logged on to one of the library systems prior to clicking on that link, you'll be offered this login screen. You need to actually select Use Academic Sign-In. If you try entering your username and password here, Lexis will not let you in. You need to look for Use Academic Sign-In, and you'll find the login page with the picture of the hub on it. Click on Use Academic Sign-In, just log in the normal way. Once logged in, you'll be taken through to the Law Society Gazette on Lexis Library. You can then enter your search terms, the article title, the author, or a combination of both. I'm going to enter a couple of words from the title of the article, High Court, and I'm going to enter the author's name. And I'm going to run that search. And here is the full text of the article. Very rarely you will find that we do not have access to a journal. That doesn't happen very often in the area of law. But if it does, you can actually order it in and we'll get photocopies sent to your email address, normally within 3 working days. The way to order an article in if we don't have a subscription to that journal is to go to Locate and go to the Document Supply Service at the bottom of the screen And from there, you can fill out a document supply request form. Just fill out the full details of the journal article in the journal, and that should be with you within 3 working days. If you have any further questions, do get in touch with me, Suzanne White. You can find my contact details on the Law Lib Guide, and you can make an appointment with me as well. Thank you very much.